think it's time for school. I'm so sleepy. We have to go to school. Okay, let me wake this girl up. Girl, we gotta go to school. Wake up, we gotta go to school. Fine. I'm so tired. Let's put our stuff in our book bag first. Okay. I'm gonna go first so I can, yeah, you can do the bed. Okay. Alright, okay, let me open it. Okay guys, so I opened it, and first I'm gonna put my water bottle inside because I need it. Then I'm gonna put my little person. Then I'm gonna put teddy bear. And I don't know why, but oh my god, I dropped it. I'm gonna put this thing here, and I'm gonna close it back up. As you see, now I'm finished. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, first, let me see if it's empty. It's pretty empty. Mom told me not to bring my phone, but what will happen if I bring it? I'm gonna put my glasses on real quick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. Okay, so let me put my phone up in here. Okay, and let me put my shoes on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I did it. My glasses. It's okay, I'm gonna just walk like this anyways. I'm just waiting till the elevator goes up. Oh, I forgot, I have to brush my teeth. Okay, I'm just gonna put my glasses back up and go brush my teeth. Okay, now I'm done brushing my teeth. I don't want to go down elevator. I'm gonna try this handicap thing. In 3, 2, and 1. Oh my god, I'm upside down. Oh shoot. I'm stuck. It shouldn't lose by itself in 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. Anyways, where is Isabella? She said she's coming down. Okay. Okay, kids, so I'm gonna cook y'all some eggs, and yeah, okay. Let me just hurry up, because I'm almost gonna be late for work. Well, it looks like you already ate your eggs and your drink too. Well, it's time to get in the car, so hurry up and just come on. Okay, I'm gonna grab my stuff. Okay, me too. And did you bring your phone? Maybe. Ooh. Well, fine, I'll put it back. We'll be late because of you. Yup. Sorry. Okay, here. Where's Mirabelle? She's putting her phone back. Oh my god, why did she bring her phone? Just get in the car. Okay. This is gonna take so long. I'm literally gonna leave her. You don't need to leave her. Oh my god, don't even be late. Okay, let me take my book back off and get my phone and just put it there. Okay, put my phone in here. Then, oh, no worries. Put my phone right there, and let me just go now. I kind of want to see the dogs. I'm gonna go see it real quick. She won't mind. It was supposed to be 2 dogs back here, but somebody could bring the dog inside. But hey, doggy. Okay, I have to go now. Goodbye. Okay, I'm here. Okay, let's go. We're about 7 minutes late to school. Now, explain to me, why did you bring your phone? Because I wanted to be cool. Okay, well, you're in trouble, but let's just go.